Hello, Mr. Poole back here, and today we are talking about types of angles. Okay, there's four main types of angles. The first angle is one that is less than 90 degrees, and one that's less than 90 degrees would be an acute angle. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. So this angle right here would be an acute angle. One that is 90 degrees we know as a right angle. Now on these angles here you might have to turn your page, so I'm going to go ahead and turn my page so I can measure this angle to see if it's a right angle. The best thing to do is take a piece of paper. So I have this see-through paper here to show you the right angle, and as I measure, that is exactly a right angle because it's the corner of your page. Okay, so there is my right angle. This one is 90 degrees, and that is a right angle. And it's usually shown with a little box in the corner. That's the symbol for right angle. So that is our right angle. Okay, now we look at this angle over here, and we can, that's pretty obvious that it is bigger than 90 degrees. So if it is greater than 90 degrees, that is called an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. So greater than 90 degrees, it's an obtuse angle. If you have an angle like this that looks like a straight line, that is 180 degrees, and that is called a straight angle. A straight angle. It's kind of like a straight line, a straight angle. Okay, now this one up here is kind of tricky because if you look at it this way, it appears to be a right angle. Okay, but with a little more investigating and turning the page, that's why I always tell my students to turn the page. So with turning the page and getting that piece of paper again, now when you observe more closely, you can see that this line would be a right angle, and this is where our line is. That is actually an acute angle. Here's where the line would go. So that is actually an acute angle. It's less than 90. So don't be tricked by that, because when you look at it this way, it may appear to be a right angle. But when you really measure it, always use that corner of the paper and measure that angle. Hopefully this helps you with your angles. There's a great video on YouTube. It's called Types of Angles. Types of Angles, and I've used it. So Types of Angles song. I've used it for about 7 years now. It's a great video, and it's a song where the kids stand up and they do the motions of the angles. So it's really great for those kinesthetic learners. Alright, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, happy finding those angles.